Hi viewers, welcome back to Wonderful and Fancy World. So I will be teaching those that started knitting new how to fix their knitting yarn, how to fix it on this, and then finally to the machine. So this is particularly for beginners that don't know how to do this. So this is my knitting yarn. Okay, this is my knitting yarn. I'll pass it through. Okay, let me bring this out. So this is it. If you want to fix it, you fix it this way. So I brought it out for you to see where I'm passing the knitting yarn from. So I'll be passing it through from here. Pass it through. Okay, bring it out. Right. Then from here you will bring it here. Okay, let me fix it so that you'll be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so this is it. I've passed it through here. So this is it. Let me pull this down. Let me drag it down. Okay, so I've passed it here. This is the second place you pass it through. Okay, from here you pass it here. Okay, so this is it. The next thing is you would place it this way. Place it this way. Right, place it this way. Okay, then pass it through here. Alright, then the next step is bring down this. Okay, can you see this? Bring down this, then you pass it through here. Alright, so this is it. Then you come to your machine, the head of the machine, open this up. See, it's closed. It's closed. So you open it, then fix your knitting yarn. You fix it in here and you close it back. Okay, when it's not working, when you're not ready to work with your machine, for you to secure this, because if I leave it now, you will see what will happen now. So it's no longer here, and if I should leave it further, it will move out of here. So for you to prevent this, when you fix it here, when you're not ready to make use of the head of the machine, what you do is you fix it here. Fix it here. And the position here, it's 2, it's here, and it's here. So you fix it here. Can you see? It's intact now. So there is no need. The knitting yarn is intact now. So it didn't leave the head of the machine, and then it didn't leave the string here. Is in place. So when you're not ready to make use of it, you can now bring it from here and start your work. So that's just it. Alright, if you have any other question, you can ask me. Drop in the comment section. I would attend to that. Alright, thank you.